Mapapanood na simula sa February 26 ang pinakabagong GMA Integrated News Podcast na Power Talks with Pia Arcangel. Powerful ang pilot episode niyan dahil ang first guest ay si GMA Chairman, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon na magbabahagi ng life lessons at kanyang secrets to success. May unang balita si Mark Salazar.
Kanyang podcast na surprise guest with Pia Arcangel, nagkaroon si Pia ng makabuluhan at masayang puntahan kasama ang ilang malalaking pangalan sa larangan ng sports, showbiz at iba pa.
As parents, tayo talaga ang architect sa magiging future ng anak natin.
Ngayon, mga influential na personalidad naman tulad ng business tycoons, tech innovators, award-winning artists, at iba pang industry leader ang makaka one-on-one ni Pia sa pinakabagong GMA Integrated News Podcast na Power Talks with Pia Arcangel na magsisimula sa February 26.
Mabuhay and welcome to Power Talks.
Excited si Pia para sa bagong podcast produced by GMA Digilabs.
I hope that from the show, viewers and listeners will be able to pick up stories that they will learn valuable lessons that they can apply to their own lives as well.
Sabi ni Senior Vice President and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor B. Amoroso, patuloy ang paghahanap ng GMA Network ng makabagong paraan para maabot ang audience sa iba't ibang online platform. First guest sa newest Kapuso podcast si Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, Chairman of the Board and Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee ng GMA Network. Dito nagkwento siya tungkol sa kanyang childhood.
Oh yes, I was so malikot. I was all over the place.
Pamilya.
So sir, what are some of the biggest joys you have as a parent and as a grandfather?
Well, to see my children succeeding.
Life lessons.
Early on, I already learned never to argue with my mother. You will never win. So why argue?
Ang kanyang leadership style.
I learned from that not to listen to excuses.
At realizations.
When you look back, your career, everything that you have accomplished, what would you say to your younger self?
In life, you have to set a goal. And when you achieve the goal, you cannot imagine how you feel.
Magkakaroon ng bagong episode ang Power Talks with Pia Arcangel tuwing Wednesday sa Spotify, Apple Podcasts at lahat ng GMA Integrated News social media platforms. Ito ang unang balita. Mark Salazar para sa GMA Integrated News.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.